This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable food containers, specifically these tin can and sardine can containers. And they are a super cute way to present some apps, maybe even some desserts at your next party or event. They come in both clear and silver. And as you can see, they all come with their little matching lids. So we have the 4 ounce that's made to look like a nice little tin can, and you can get that in clear or the more traditional silver. And then we also have the sardine version, which is a 2 ounce capacity, and it's a nice little rectangle that's meant to look like that kind of traditional little tin of fish where you're peeling or rolling back the top. And these make for an adorable little presentation. Whether you're going to do some seafood themed apps or maybe some cute little individual portions of dessert or something else, these are a great way to kind of contain some mess or some liquids. I can totally see if you wanted to serve, say, maybe some great crusty toasted bread with some sardines and stewed tomatoes, putting your little bread and maybe some other items on your plate, and then putting your little sardines and stewed tomatoes in there so your guests can take off the lid and then portion out those liquids as needed so your bread stays nice and crusty. So there's a lot of fun ways that you can use these at an event, whether you're a caterer, a restaurant, or you're just planning a party at home and you want a nice little whimsical touch to help present your foods to your guests.